Hi, I'm Roy Southby from DIYTilingTools.com. Now when I made my video on how to lay large tiles, I did one thing very wrong. I didn't lift the tile to show the coverage underneath. Because I did back butter the tile, everyone assumed that the tile won't stick. Well, it will, and there's no need to back butter when you use a super spreader. The super spreader spreads a perfect bit of glue every time. And if you watch this short video, I'm laying full coping, and you'll see there is no need to back butter. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay? No back buttering.